Hi everyone, this is Common Errors. This is number 21. So we are at number 21 now. So let's go ahead and look at our sentence for this lesson, and it is he needs to ask to you a question. So what is wrong with this sentence here? And this is a very common error because this is transitive and intransitive verbs. But the verb in this question, well, the to infinitive that we have in this question is to ask. And then we're following ask with to. Now, the thing is that the verb ask is a transitive verb, which means it can take an object. It doesn't need a preposition. So the fact of the matter is we do not need the preposition to in this sentence. So when you're making a sentence with to ask, you do not need to after the verb or the infinitive ask. So the question, I mean, the sentence can just read, he needs to ask you a question. So of course, ask is taking the object you. So yes, this is again transitive verbs, and intransitive verbs, they can get a little tricky because you have to know when to use to and when not to use to, but definitely with ask, you do not need to use to at the end of ask. So, but yeah, that is the sentence. And you can also do this now you can also use the verb ask in a question. So if you want to request to ask someone a question, you can start with may I. So you can use may I. This is the more polite way of asking someone if you can ask them a question. So may I ask you a question? May I ask you a question? And you'll notice we're not using to after ask because, again, ask is a transitive verb and it takes an object. It does not need a preposition. Now, if you want to ask this in a very casual way, you would just say, can I ask you a question? So either or. Usually if you start the question with may I, it's going to come across as being a bit more polite. So that is going to end this lesson for Common Errors number 21, and I will see you in number 22.